Oh my God, you remember that one time you and I were like, let's go down to Earth. Let's do the human experience. Let's forget who we are. It's gonna be fun, right? We're gonna forget who we are. One day we're gonna wake up, we're gonna remember the truth of our divinity. We're gonna remember that we're high vibrational, multi-dimensional, eternal spiritual beings temporarily incarnated in these meat suits having a human experience. Remember when we were like, let's go down there and see what it means to be human, to experience the full spectrum of emotion, to experience the physicality of it all. It's going to be challenging. It's going to be hard, but it's also going to be expansive as